The following segment is sponsored by Clark Planetarium. If you are looking for something fun to do with your kids while waiting for the weather to warm up, Fun Science Friday is the answer. Kelly and Audrey from the Clark Planetarium are here to tell us more. Both of you, welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having us.
We love it when you're in because you always have something fun to talk to us about. So let's talk about Fun Science Fridays. What is it?
So every Friday from 2:30 to 6:30, we just pick a different topic. We get to come up with all sorts of different topics, and we do something fun, usually something hands-on that people of all ages can do.
All right, there you go. So how much does it cost?
Everything as far as admission and coming to Fun Science Friday is totally free.
That is so shocking to me that so much fun can be free. Okay, what sort of lessons do you have coming up, Audrey?
Absolutely. So the one we're most excited about, the first Friday in April, is going to be our Lego egg drop. So we have household materials and some eggs that you can make a little protective thing that will drop and then see if your egg survives.
I love that. A little parachute.
Yeah. So are you going to put a real egg in it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
So they're
this
not
is our
messing
stand-in.
around. They're not messing around.
Yes.
We have some limitations because eggs are expensive. Not sure if you knew that, but it's a crisis.
Yeah.
It's been going around. I think I've heard that.
So if we run out, or as other options, we also have Legos, so kids can build like a little Lego structure that will drop and see if that will break or not.
Okay, well, that is so much fun. Is this good for kids of any age? So like a 30-year-old kid?
Yes, absolutely. Honestly, we love having adults come in. It's always so much fun. The adults, honestly, sometimes have more fun than the kids do. But yeah, it's really good for any age. We can adapt to kind of whatever age group goes in and explain kind of what we're talking about, the
All
science
sorts
principles.
of ability levels.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, well, you're having fun. You're learning about science. Talk to us about the membership options at the Clark Planetarium.
Memberships are fantastic at Clark Planetarium because they're $30 for the year, and you get to
whole
see
year.
it's insane.
Holy
And you
cow.
get to see every single science documentary that we have both in the Hanson Dome Theater and in the IMAX Theater.
Okay, well, that is one heck of a deal. Why is the Clark Planetarium such a great place for kids to go and to learn?
Yeah, it's just we have so much. We have so many different activities, both as our exhibits and also these other events that we put on. And everything is always free. So it's a great place to learn about science and pique your interests while not necessarily having a cost attached to kind of what we're doing into learning, because there never really should be.
I love that because it's getting kids excited about science. All right, Kelly, what is your opinion on that? Why is it such a great place for kids to go and learn?
It's a beautiful place to extend learning. There are definitely topics that they're learning in their science classes that then they come and say, oh, we just learned this before. Tons of engineering concepts. We just talked about women in STEM last month. Having these young kids get involved early as possible is always going to be fun.
All right, so this egg drop sounds super exciting. Tell us one more time when it is.
It'll be the first Friday in April.
Okay, all right, put that in your calendars because it is going to be an excellent time. See what I did there? Where they think I'm funny. They need to come more often. Where can we go for more information?
ClarkPlanetarium.org or find us on social media.
Perfect. Well, both of you, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you for having us.